Hey everyone, Craig here with Tops Knives, and welcome to another overview. This is the first knife that we're going to release for 2016, and it's actually been a while since we did a release, so that's why we haven't done videos for a while. It is the Hazen Legion 6.0. It was designed by Mark Hazen, who is a custom knife maker, and has been making knives since 1976. Basically, he got his start because he wanted to have custom knives, but couldn't really afford them at the time, so he decided to make his own. One of his designs actually has just been really popular for them. They approached us last year and asked us if we could put it into production for them. Of course, we said yes, so now we're ready to release it. It was debuted at this year's SHOT Show, and it was actually quite a success. We had a lot of people picking this knife up, a lot of people wanted to see it, a lot of people wanted to get their hands on it. Some of the comments we got at SHOT Show on this knife, they liked that it was light, that it was slim, how quick it was. So for a tactical knife, it's very agile, very fast. You know, you hear all the time that this knife is great for tactical and outdoors use. Well, this one really is. It's got a nice straight edge, a good belly on the end of it, a nice tip, and really it's quite a versatile knife. Basically what you're looking at here is a 1095 high carbon steel knife. It has a sandblast finish with clear layer of Cerakote over that to help prevent rust. It's got black linen micarta handle scales. It's 11.59 inches long with a 6.1 inch cutting edge. The weight on this knife is pretty light actually. You're looking at 9 ounces for the knife and about 11.5 ounces for the knife and the sheath. The sheath on it is Kydex and it has a rotating injection molded nylon clip on it. Well everyone, thanks again for watching this video, and we'll have links to the product down in the description below. As always, you can check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And you know, keep an eye on this channel. We're going to have a lot of new videos this year because we have a lot of new knife releases this year. Remember, one life, one knife. Thanks for watching. One last thing. We have new shirts. Look for them on our website. We've got 4 different colors. We've got some that are 65-35 poly blend, some that are 50-50 poly blend. We've got this great circular logo design, flag on the sleeve. I don't
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay.
This is the 21-inch Schrade SCM ACH2 full tang machete. Imposing, versatile, and sharp as a tack, the SCM ACH2 boasts a massive overall length of 21 inches, sporting a 15-inch full tang fine-edged blade. The SCM ACH2 is fashioned from tough, edge-retaining 3CR13 stainless steel. The razor-sharp recurve edge toward the handle provides extra cutting power for fine tasks, while the balance of the blade makes large chopping and slicing jobs seem like child's play. The clip point with honed false edge gives you extra piercing power, while the black-coated sawtooth spine makes this machete an amazingly versatile tool. Weighing in at only 16.8 ounces, the SCM ACH2 is excessively nimble for a machete of this size. Comfortable, shock-free use is made possible by the ergonomic one-piece TPE handle. Water-shedding grooves coupled with a swelled midsection, top hand guard, and flared butt protect your hands and extend use to any weather condition, while a lanyard hole is provided for additional safety. The SCM ACH2 is kept safe and ready for use in its rugged black reinforced nylon belt sheath with lower closure strap and upper snap keep. A friend you can rely on when the going gets tough, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the 21-inch Schrade SCM ACH2 Machete.
M48 delivers once again with the M48 Hawk Harpoon knife. This razor-sharp harpoon knife features a small but capable blade that will slice through practically anything like butter. The one-piece cast stainless steel construction provides strength and durability that will prevent it from bending or breaking like cheap imitation. Pre-drilled lashing holes allow you to attach this blade to a wooden rod or staff, making an excellent makeshift harpoon or spear that can be used for hunting, fishing, and so much more. Throw this knife in your go bag and you'll be prepared for whatever life throws at you. This is the M48 Hawk Harpoon knife, only from United Cutlery.
This is the Schrade ST1N 21-function multi-tool, one of two models in the ST1N Tough Tools series. This compact multi-tool is crafted from tough, corrosion-resistant 2CR13 stainless steel and is designed to offer you access to its assortment of implements with or without opening the plier head. Nail nicks provide a handy means of accessing many of the tools. Swivel each tool into position as needed for use. 4 of the tools, large screwdriver, heavy-duty field saw, dual-edge knife blade, and Phillips head screwdriver, lock when opened to provide increased safety and stability during use. To release, press down on the raised tool in the center with your thumb. This releases the locking mechanism, allowing you to fold the implement back into the handle. To access the needle nose and regular pliers, vise, and wire cutter, grip the bottom of each handle and swing open. To close, grip the handles and rotate them upwards. Other functions included in the ST1N are the cap lifter, can opener, scribe, awl, leather bore, metal file, wood file, measuring gauge, scraping blade, wire strippers, and lanyard attachment. A durable black nylon sheath protects the multi-tool. Slide the sheath over your belt or clip it to belt or gear. Designed with tactical, survival, and everyday situations in mind. Crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade ST1N 21-function multi-tool.